Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. And today we will unleash a kits. Yeah, kits. And disclaimer, these kits are bootleg. So for those person who doesn't like it, you can go. But if you want to know what is this, then stay put and let's see. With the use of my rusty but still trusted cutter, let's go. Okay, so I have here three kits. Okay, three kits. So we will introduce this by individually. So yeah, and they are bootleg. They are HG bootlegs, and I want to sure because I forgot what are they. So I will not. It's not yet the unboxing, but I will just want to see if what are they because I forgot what they are. Okay, and the first one here is this one. Ooh, this is your JMS 6688 and I forgot what is this. So let me open a little bit of it. I can see the instruction manual and yeah, I will understand what it is. Oh, okay. Okay. So the JMS 668 is your Transient Gundam and I already have the Transient Gundam in the original one. This Transient Gundam is a metallic version of it, the metallic version of the Transient Gundam, and I think there, I don't know if I'm correct, okay, but I know there is a clear Transient Gundam, clear plastic, but this one is metallic, and yeah, because I already have the Bandai one, which is the original one, I decided to get just the metallic because yeah, having metallic Gunpla is a little bit if you go to Bandai, it's very expensive and yeah, you can't have them just in this price because this is very let's say the price is not right for the yeah, it's metallic, man, you can see it. Yeah. Oh. You can see it that it's metallic right here. Yeah, that's a metallic one. So it's very nice. So yeah, excited to build it. Yeah, maybe. But yeah, it's bootleg. So let's expect some unexpected, especially for the loose parts. Yeah, like that parts. Okay, so we have this one. Next is we have here, and it's very obvious. This is your Michaelis, and this is the Michaelis in bootleg. Yeah, there's already a Michaelis bootleg from the Witch from Mercury kit. And yeah, as I know, this is the Michaelis in clear parts. Yeah, it's a clear Michaelis. And yeah, I will show you some of the parts here. It's not yet the unboxing again, but I just want to see the parts. And you can see here, it's clear and it's nice. But there's some already parts falling apart. I hope they're okay. Yeah, I hope so. And it's not just clear. It has glitters on it. It has glitters. It's not just clear. It has glitters. It's like a Plavsky particle kind from the Gundam Build Divers Try. Yeah, or from the Gundam Build Diver and Gundam Build Fighters series. So this is the Michaelis in clear version. And the last one right here is this pink one, which is the XD231. They say it's from Daban, some say it's from Gao Gao or TT Hongli. So yeah, I just don't mind what brand they have, but it's important is I got the Gunpla. And this is your Justice, am I right? Justice, right? I have the Justice Gundam in clear parts also. Yeah, you can see that pink color. It's the clear because I also have the Justice Gundam in a HG form in Bandai already. So yeah, I don't need another copy for that. I just want some of the other colors or versions so that I can have it not having it on the premium Bandai. Yeah, because premium Bandai is very, let's say, expensive to have, especially if you get them on some scalpers. So yeah, today we unleashed 3 kits, and yeah, this and let's say another experience in unleashing 3 kits again, because some of my videos on the last vlogs, I only unleash 1 or 2 or maybe always 1 kit only, but now 3 kits in 1 video. So very nice. So this is the Justice Gundam in clear, Michaelis in clear with some sparkling glitters. Let's see the Justice if it has the sparkling glitters. It's open. I want to know it because I see it, but yeah, I don't see, no, there's no glitters on the Justice. Yeah, it's just pure, and I think it's a matte kind of clear plastic. So this is your transient in metallic color, your Michaelis on clear color with glitters, and your Justice Gundam on clear color, and it's a matte kind of clear color. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's our unleashing for today. 3 kits in 1 video, and very nice kits we have here. It's bootleg, so expect some unexpected, some loose parts, some parts that, yeah, I hope it's not mismold, and yeah, more and more unexpected thing that will happen because this is bootleg, and I cannot have a speed build for this on some videos, so we'll just have an unboxing, a quick look, and the full review of it. Maybe I will make a live video, yeah, in my YouTube, if I will build them, so that, yeah, you can see it also while I'm building these kits next time, because they will go to my backlog paradise here at my back. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you will be informed on my next videos. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Pan signing off, and Gunpowder Show signing off. Bye! Yeah, let's go. More than plus this 2024.